Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. I'm going to try and talk a little loud because remember, I am next to an engine room. So bear with me through any of my videos because it is loud. I can't help it. I've got that muff on, but it seems to be only good for wind. So I will talk a little louder and hopefully that'll help. Anyways, today is Easter Sunday. I've got a turkey breast in the crock pot. And I'm also going to make some fried chicken tenders for the people that normally want fried chicken on Sundays. But I am going to show you how to make homemade towboat style dressing. Alright, be right back. I'm going to post all the ingredients first, what you would normally do, but then I'm going to tell you what I've done different. Okay, be right back. Okay, first off, I got approximately between 15 and 16 cups of cubed up, chopped up, whatever you want to call, loaf of bread. I used approximately one and 3/4 loaves of bread. Then I put in a full cup of butter, a whole onion, and 4 celery, and I already got them sauteed in the butter. Let me move that. Now, since I didn't have poultry seasoning, I made up my own. I got rosemary, sage, ground thyme. This I'm going to add in later, seasoned salt and pepper. But instead of marjoram, I can never pronounce that name, I used a little bit of tarragon in my seasoning. So this is towboat style. Alright, so this is how it all gets mixed together. Let me get my spoon. My trusted wooden spoon. Alright, first, season all the bread up. A little bit extra sage in it. You all know me, I do not measure. Please go by the recipe that's in there and then do it, make it your own. Here's the pepper. And here's the salt. I use seasoned salt, I like that better than I do regular salt. Alright. Then you pour all this in. Now, I will most likely have to melt more butter if this does not make it moist enough to my liking. I will let you know after I mix this here. And I can tell by looking at it, yeah, I'm going to melt more butter. You know what, instead of butter, I'm going to use chicken broth. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to use chicken broth. Give it that good extra flavor. Okay, now before I go on to the next step, I've got to explain something. I'm sure you all noticed I haven't put any baking videos on. There's a reason why. That oven, I'm waiting on a part. I got the upper part of the oven hot, but the lower element hasn't been any good. So no desserts at all could I bake in that oven. 2 weeks now. It'll be at least another, I would say, week probably before it's fixed. But so everything's been either done on the stovetop or it's high heat from the top and double time in the oven to where I can stir and get it all cooked. This is what I'm going to be doing with this stuffing. I'm going to put it in the oven now. Normally it takes about 45 minutes to an hour at normal at 375 degrees. This is going to take about 2.5 hours at 550 at the top, which is not really 550, unfortunately, because the heat's not staying in there. It's going to take me about 2.5, maybe 3 hours to get this cooked right. But that means every half hour or so, I've got to stir it. I'm not even going to cover it. So we're going to test out this theory together, see if this works. Well, let's hope. All right, you're right. Okay, as you can see, it's already all mixed. And I'm going to be putting it in this pan here. I've already sprayed it down. Here, do it this way. And this is going to be a perfect fit. Now, being the way I just explained how I gotta cook this up, I'm gonna add more broth to this. Alright. It's now 7:45. This has to be done by 10:30, 11:15, so it's about 2 hours. Here we go. So I'll see you here in a bit. I'll try and take a video in between if I'm not really busy, because I got lots of things I'm making today. Alright, here we go. Well folks, it's done. It's still moist with a little bit of crispiness, which is perfect. Okay, everything is done. There's the stuffing. There is the sour cream mashed potatoes. There is the sweet potatoes mashed with brown sugar, butter, and pecans. The turkey gravy. The green bean with mushroom sauce and cheese, and bacon and onion. Sweet corn with butter, vanilla, and sugar. For those that don't want turkey, there's some chicken tenders, homemade, and there's the turkey. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this channel and supporting it. And happy Easter to everybody, even though this is being posted after Easter. You all have been great. It's been a great year so far. I'm having fun out on the Towboat. There has been some issues, as you saw in reference earlier, about my stove, but guess what? I've handled it. I plan on doing a lot more videos here, especially you all seem to want to know more what's going on outside. So there's going to be more posting of what's going on outside as well. You all have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll talk to you down the river. Bye-bye.